Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are still sitting at $1.32 trillion, down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.9%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some mild, very, very mild green across the board. But overall, guys, market is still down quite a bit if we are looking at the bigger picture. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that has been highly, highly requested on my channel, and that is none other than Tron TRX. All right, my Tron family, if we are looking at the price of Tron right now, it is currently trading at 0.084 cents, up 2.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 3.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Tron's current ranking in the cryptocurrency market ranks is at the top 14th spot, with a market cap of $7.94 billion, just below that $8 billion mark. And the 24-hour trading volume is quite impressive as well, sitting at $1.39 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, Tron is up 9.2%, but most importantly, in the last 30 days, Tron has been making some very, very impressive price movements within its price, currently up 28.9%. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff that everyone is here for. What's happening with Tron and where could the price be headed in the immediate short term? So that's what we are going to be talking about in this video right now. So first and foremost, I just want to say that the bottom that we have seen for Tron this year was back on January 24th, 2022. So at the beginning of this year, that's when Tron hit the bottom of 0.055 cents. And this support did hold for us. We did wick below the support line, but most importantly, guys, this support line did manage to hold, and Tron was able to close above this support line. And since then, guys, if you guys look at this pattern, we have been in an upwards channel since then. And if you manage to pick up some TRX around this zone at that 5.5 cents mark, you're already up, as of recording this video, 51.5%. So that might have been a very, very good buying opportunity for Tron if you wanted to get in. One thing I want to share with you guys right now is that Tron is looking for a breakout. Let me repeat that again. Tron is looking for a breakout. So if you are a Tron holder, you want to be watching this video very, very carefully. And if some specific thing that I'm about to mention to you guys happens, we will see Tron have a breakout in the next 24 to even 48 hours. So right now, if you guys can see, we were hovering below the 78.6 for quite some time, and then we finally broke above it May 4th, and we saw it go past this level of resistance of that 8.9 cents mark. First time ever since all the way back to December of 2021. So look at it from this point of view. Last time Tron's price was above this level of resistance was all the way back on December 9th, 2021. So this is a very, very bullish indicator. Really shows you that Tron has bullish momentum. Most importantly, an upwards momentum that it has within its price. And this speaks for itself. Obviously, we went above it, got rejected, saw a consolidation. And once again, it is heading back towards this level of resistance. And now comes a question that everyone wants to know. Are we going to break out? I am expecting Tron to break out. If TRX is able to break out of this zone of that 0.0897 cents, almost 9 cents level of resistance, I can expect the price of Tron to skyrocket back into the 61.8, which is around that 10.3 cents mark. And one thing we need to consider right now is that the overall market, let me repeat that again. The overall market right now is in a downward trend because we have seen Bitcoin have major volatility within its price. And guess what's happening with the altcoins? We have seen over the past 2 months major bloodbath across the board. Altcoins have gotten hit very hard compared to where they were when they were around all-time highs. And like I said, a lot of fear across the board. But Tron has been making bullish strides, and that speaks for itself. And you could give Tron this advantage too, and give this credit, in my opinion. Like when the markets were booming, we were seeing Tron lagging behind. Tron was not like going absolutely insane and following the market momentum, but now we are seeing a total opposite. So a lot of people in the Tron community saying, hey, you know what, this was worth it, and what's happening, we deserve it. And kudos to them, and I totally agree. But right now, one thing that you guys want to be monitoring right now very closely is the price of Bitcoin. Look what's happening with the price of Bitcoin. Once again, another day, we are seeing Bitcoin hold above the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level very strongly. And this level of support is a do or die, in my opinion, which is at that $28,727, which we already broken below. But guess what the Bitcoin price did? It managed to close above it right away. So we are not counting that as a support line as of now. But right now, if the price of Bitcoin breaks below this zone once again, then in my personal opinion, we are entering the bear market if the price of Bitcoin is unable to close above it. If we go below it, then you guys already know what's going to happen. Altcoins are going to bleed again even harder. And TRX, in my opinion, is going to be impacted. Doesn't matter if it's having a bullish overall momentum right now against Bitcoin, which it has been outperforming Bitcoin by a big margin if we are looking at that factor. But we are going to see Tron react to that. So we could see Tron go below the 78.6 once again. So that's something to keep in mind right now. But if the price of Bitcoin stays around this zone and trades sideways, and most importantly, as I mentioned, my target right now for the Bitcoin price is to be above 33,647. If that were to happen, we are looking good, great at that point. And I could see Tron really kickstart this trend it's having on its side, and we could see Tron going insane. Charts speak for themselves. But right now, guys, all eyes on this price point at that 8.974 cents. If the price breaks above this resistance level, then we are going into the 61.8, and that would be the first time ever since December 1st of last year. And I really do think Tron is capable of doing that very soon. As long as the Bitcoin price stays around here or goes up, we are looking good. If the price of Bitcoin goes below that 28,700 mark, we could be having a total different conversation. BTC dominance, on the other hand, right now, absolutely skyrocketing. Not a surprise to me right now, sitting at 45.5%. Again, like I said, not a surprise, because you guys know a lot of uncertainty within the Bitcoin price, and a lot of altcoin money is flowing into Bitcoin because people are uncertain as of now. But let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Tron go, and do you really see Tron breaking out of this level of resistance? Because if it does, guys, things can heat up very fast. Let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to lock in profits, guys. If you guys are sitting at some massive profits for Tron, lock in profits, never get greedy, because we do need to look at the broader picture. Overall market is still in a downward trend. So if you are making profits, you want to be locking those profits in. Again, just a tip to you guys do what works for you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and